Hello again, knife fans. We have a small flip open knife here I got from AliExpress. I will leave an affiliate link if you want to track it down. If you can't find it cheaper anywhere else, that is. So let's see, good look. Oh boy, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I really like small knives. This is not, well, I guess it is a small knife, but in the realm of AliExpress small knives, this is quite large. But it is a flipper, and you can see that happening there. Well, let's get the basic dimensioning and all that stuff out of the way here. 68 grams, way too heavy for me to be carrying every day. Overall length closed could be 73 millimeters. Thickness 14 and a half-ish. This overall width here, maybe 34 millimeters. Now flipped open. Now the thing is about 101 millimeters, and the effective blade length here, sharp edge, is around 38 millimeters. This blade thickness is around 2.7, and I guess that's all I care to learn about dimensionally. Oh man, that just feels heavy. I'm used to things so small if you watch my other knife reviews. Alright, this is obviously also a cheap looking knife. Boy, this is really low grade. This is like dirty or oxidized. These bolt heads here. Let me focus, hold on. Those are not new bolt heads. Like the chrome is already pitted and oxidized off. This is raw metal here. So I don't know what that is. It almost looks like it's die cast metal, not even like forged steel for a bolt. This is kind of nice and flashy, this transparent resin here, and then it's got like these circular and black graphic things right on this layer here. And you'll see it's tapered thinner here, so it's a little bit ergonomic, a little thicker in the palm area. And then it's got this cast, like, I don't know if you'd call that like a western motif or something. It reminds me of a cowboy. This funky, again, low grade looking bolt, and then just a pivot, rivet or something like that. No, well, it's screwed in on the other side. Okay, so yeah, this is nice and thick, this middle section here. And then, yeah, this flipper. What I feel though is, this is sticking out so far, and there's this little thing. I don't know if that's smart. Like, I feel like it would possibly open in your pocket even, doing that. I don't know if it would be smarter to leave it that way or have metal continue over here, but I don't know. It does make opening it easy, but my concern is there's no sound or clicking when it locks. I don't even think it locks. There's no ball detent or anything like that locking that thing in place. So if you look in there, there's just two plastic washers, and it's just friction. But there's nothing else. There's nothing actually touching the blade with a ball detent. There's no lock mechanism whatsoever. So this is frankly a dangerous knife. If you were to slip, it might, if you're holding it like here where this finger would be, this thing could close on your finger, right? It would close on your hand and cause you to bleed. So yeah, this is not good. This is sadly a waste of money. I don't even know what I would do with this. First, I think I should give it away, but if it's dangerous, you might as well give people cigarettes for free. This is not nice. I just hate buying stuff that becomes garbage instantly. Alright, well, I guess one way to keep it from not being garbage is to epoxy this whole thing shut. Put a steel plate inside of here, and then epoxy it in there so the thing can never close. And then as a fixed blade knife, it actually looks kind of cool, actually. What I like are these cleaver designs, because the cleaver designs can puncture tape very easily, and you can puncture and pull. I gotta say, that's a sharp blade. This is a really thick piece of cardboard. But the thing is the thickness of the blade makes it difficult to cut through cardboard because it has to displace all the cardboard. But that feels quite sharp. Let's see. Yeah, it's dulled a little bit already from going through that cardboard, but yeah, this is still pretty sharp down there. So at least you have a sharp knife right from the get-go. But I think this is also some very cheap steel. You know, it doesn't even have a rating stamped into it or anything as to what kind of steel it is. So, but this is a cheap knife, so I guess I can't be too critical. My main concern is the safety issue. There's no lock for a blade. And when I was a kid, I had a Swiss Army knife, and that blade closed down on my finger, and it caused my finger to bleed as a kid. So, never use a Swiss Army Wenger knife again. And this might be the case for this. Well, hopefully you learned something. I'll leave a link for you guys, but I can't recommend this, to be honest with you. Alright, thanks, take care, bye.